Hello, kings and queens. Welcome back to my channel. I am Zaria Chanel, the fitness trainer who helps you to build your mind and your body, because what's one without the other? Nobody should be walking around looking good and not feeling good and actually being beautiful inside and out. We have too many people walking around like that, actually. Too many people walking around looking finer than ever, looking fitter than ever, and just have the nastiest souls. And that's what makes you ugly, okay? So listen to me when I say the true beauty is on the inside, which is why I call my business Beauty Builders Fitness, okay? Now, if you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel so that you never miss any fitness motivational content that I may post for you guys. I love you guys so much, and I thank you from the bottom of my heart for all of the support, all of the energy that I've been receiving, all of the comments. I just love you guys, and I'm so glad that I can help you to become a better version of yourself, okay? Today, I just want to go ahead and put it out there in case you don't know who I am, and this is your first time here. Welcome. We are lit. We are always focusing on the next big thing, leveling up ourselves mentally and physically, okay? Today, we're going to talk about self-preservation. We're going to talk about self-recreation. We're going to talk about self-growth, okay? That being said, what I want you to do from this point forward, after you listen to this video, commit to becoming the best version of yourself. Committing to becoming the best version of yourself isn't as difficult as we make it seem. Sometimes we just allow our pain to control us. You can't control what happens to you, but you are 100% responsible of how you react to it, okay? That being said, don't become the people who hurt you. Don't become the situation that hurts you. Don't allow the situation that you've been through to change who you really are. Because when you learn how to be in your heart and operate from your heart space, only thing you do is attract blessings into your life. When you're walking around here mad at the world and you have a closed heart and you can't trust nobody and you just feel like you just hate the world, guess what you're doing? You're blocking your own blessings. Now is the time for you to start showing gratitude, start showing appreciation for the things that you have into your life. The reason why you can't go to the next level sometimes is because you're not showing God that you're grateful of the level that you're at right now, currently in this moment. Stop allowing people to tell you where you're going, and you tell yourself where you're going. It's not about what people tell you, it's what you answer to, it's what you believe yourself to be, because you are only who you call yourself to be. So are you going to allow your pain to change who you really are? Are you going to continue to allow your pain to drive your life? Allow your pain to speak for you? No, that's not the way you're supposed to do it. What you're supposed to do is allow your pain to inspire you to become a better version of yourself. Allow your pain to become the thing that is driving you to be successful, to be courageous, to be light, be the opposite of what you went through. Why continue to feed into negative energy when you have so much energy that can be used to fulfill your purpose? Because the only thing we're here for is to fulfill our purpose. A lot of you guys are very, very stuck and consumed in this world, and that's the problem. We are not here to serve the world. You come from God and you leave with God. The same way you come into this world by yourself, you're going to leave by yourself. Figure out who you are. Learn who you are. Invest your love into yourself. Everything that you want inside your life, the reason why it may not be going the way you want it to go is because you haven't taken that energy and put it in yourself first. You can't attract no boyfriend. You can't attract no girlfriend. You can't attract no real friends. Nothing, only because you're not allowing yourself to become that energy that you want to attract. In order to attract anything into your life, you have to be that first. You have to believe that you are capable and you are worthy of receiving that, whatever that is to you. The sky is the limit. You have to allow yourself to feed yourself positive things into your life. Only things that you want to grow into your life should be mentioned in your life. If you're not speaking on the things that you want to grow into your life, you're focusing on the wrong things. If you're allowing your energy and you're taking your energy to talk about someone else and what they're not doing, or even to talk about yourself and what you're not doing, you're wasting your own energy. Speak and believe things into your life that will come into fruition, will come into fruition only if you believe that they will. Speak with confidence because you know they're on their way. Continue to grow, continue to love, and continue to be the light. Love you guys.